good morning. Happy Saturday. So today posture is Garudasana or eagle posture. This is a balancing posture, good for your hamstring, your quadriceps and your shoulders. So the first step is stand tall, shift your weight on the one of the foot. So we are starting from the left foot. Shift your weight on the left foot, lift the right leg up. Options here. The easy option is you are putting your right foot on the left thigh, bringing your both arms in the front, wrapping your right arm on the left arm, how much you can do, try to balance and try to fold forward. So this is one option. The other one is a little harder. Here you have to wrap your leg on the other leg. So here. So it is getting a little challenging. So once your leg is wrapped on the other leg, you're bringing in both arms in the front. Make sure that you focus on something. In balanced posture, the focus is the main thing. Now next step is you're wrapping your right arm over the left arm, taking an inhale, and now lifting your arm a little bit, opening your shoulders, and then with the balance, keep focus on something. You are trying to bring your elbow towards your knee. This is getting intense. Breathe wherever you are. Try to hold it and then slowly come back. And then release your leg, release your arm, shake your leg, catch your breath, and when you're ready, shift the weight on the other foot. So we are doing on the right side. Lift the left leg up. Options here. You can even try this one. You can just put your foot on the thigh and bring your hands. So this is a good starting point, building the balance. And when you're ready, you're gonna wrap the leg on the right leg, arms in the front. Now left arm over the right arm. Find a balance. Take an inhale. With the exhale, you're trying to bring your elbow to the knee. Go slow. Focus. That's the main thing. Breathe. How far you can go. And slowly come back. Take your time. And then release the leg. Release the arm. Shake the leg. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please feel free to write me if you have any question, if you would like to me to make any video which can help you. Thank you very much. Enjoy your weekend. Namaste.